Hey, if I'm being frank, numbness and tingling absolutely sucks. Maybe it's into your fingertips, maybe it's into your feet. Whatever it is for you, if you're dealing with it, you know that you want to be rid of it as soon as possible. So one of the things that we offer here at my health center, Deep Roots Health Center, right here in Bentonville, we're just south of Rainbow Curve, is the use of something called the Denneroll. And what the Denneroll is it's a specific orthotic for your neck or your low back, depending on what you need. But what it does is it works to affect the curvature in the spine. So if you've lost the curve in your neck or you've lost the curve in your low back, that can absolutely affect things like numbness and tingling into the fingertips or in the feet, because those nerves that go to those areas start right in the spine. So when we use things like this, which is a specific orthotic for that area, it actually works to correct the overall structure of the spine, and that's what can help get great results with things like numbness and tingling. So this is an example of a Denneroll that would be used for the neck. So it goes right behind the neck. It's actually something that you would lie over the top of, and over time it works to put that curve back in the neck where it should be. One, it just gets great results with things like posture. But again, it can also take pressure off all those nerves in that area, tractions out that spine, and it can help out with things like numbness and tingling. Of course, we would use the neck one for numbness and tingling into the fingertips. And we also have low back Dennerolls that we can order for your low back to take pressure off those nerves going down to the feet. So if you'd like to try out a Denneroll that's specific to your spine, make sure that you comment, you tag, or you share below, and I will catch you on a future video.